I'm Dana Denha, and this is Art Fair Close-Up 2019. I'm here with Amber and Palo, and she's a mixed media 3D artist, right?
Right.
So tell me a little bit about your background as an artist and what kind of led you to the mixed media 3D aspect of it.
I'm self-taught, and I've been doing ceramics for about 20 years, and it's kind of been an evolution. I've always had a love of antiques and vintage pieces, and so it's the collaboration of mixing the ceramics with the antiques.
Wow, that's such a unique idea. Your booth really caught my eye as I was walking over here. And I didn't even realize now looking deeper, I can see that sort of antique. I wasn't sure if everything was sort of ceramic, but actually teaching yourself ceramics is hard in itself. I've done a little bit of it, but it's very difficult. So how did you get into doing it yourself? Did you have class in high school or anything that kind of led you towards that?
Actually, it was eighth grade. I had my first clay class and absolutely fell in love with it, and then got out of it and went into the legal profession for a while and had some things kind of come up, and so ended up going back to the clay just for a mental and emotional release, and it just spiraled from there, and every time I strayed from it, it just called me back, and so I've been with it ever since and do this full time.
Wow, congratulations. Tell me a little bit about your glazing process because your glazes look very unique too.
It's actually all underglazes and oxides and ongobes, which are a liquid slip, so I can layer and layer and layer, and it'll make it actually look like it's cracked and crazed and like it's vintage itself.
Yeah, it really does. The antique and the vintage aspect of it, they just flow together very well. So what about your inspiration? I see a lot of figures and animals and stuff.
The figure is in all forms, and human and animal is just my inspiration because it's such an emotional being. We are such emotional beings, and so it's my way of reflecting that into the pieces.
All right, well, thank you, Amber. Do you have a website or anything like that?
I do. It's amberandpalo.com, and you can see my upcoming show schedule and click over for Instagram and Facebook as well.
All right, great.
Thank you very much.
Stay tuned for more Art Fair Close-Up 2019.